Assalamualaikum everyone. Alright, so Matic once again. Alright, so the last time that I actually made one of the videos back in the days, alright, was when Matic here, known as access denied, and I talked about this. So let's look at this video.
You need to go up. Now the issue is that I can already show you this, and you can see this was a touch right there. You had a touch right over here, and then we had another touch right over there. You had this touch somewhere right over here, and that's where you actually got rejected. So 4 times you are being rejected at that trend line. That's not good. That's really bad. And you do have this inverse head and shoulder probably, but it's meaningless if you're not breaking the neckline. So all you want to do is maybe in the future, after this correction is done, come up, finally break it out, come for the retest, and you're good to go to the $1.2.
Alright, so that's pretty much it. Last time the access was denied, this time the access is granted, and I told you, when the correction is over, you might be looking at this thing to just pop up, come down for the retest, and we're doing exactly that. So the next technical target out of this one is going to be up here to nearly the $1.2. Okay, so we do have a little bit of a long way to go. We still have something like from there to there, like 17% move. So if you've been following the channel, amazing. I actually didn't trade it because I never saw the the break and the retest right here, because I haven't been updating about Matic. I wish I could have seen it a little bit earlier, and I could have been taking the trades on our signal groups. So right now at the moment, that's your inverse head and shoulder, the head here and the right shoulder. You've broken out of it. Finally, this was a break to the upside, came for the retest, and that was an amazing move that you're looking for Matic at the moment to move higher. And that's pretty much it for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.